Hello and welcome to this week's craft. This week we're going to be making tulips. You're going to need scissors and 2 pieces of paper. Let's get into it. First you want to fold the piece of paper corner to corner. Then you want to fold the 2 smaller angles to the bigger angle on top. Then you want to flip it over and fold the sides by a small amount. Now time for the green piece of paper. Go ahead and just fold it in half. And then you're going to go ahead and take one of the corners into the center. And then another one of the corners into the center. Now flip it around to the other side and take the corners and fold them to the middle, just like you did to the other end. And now you're going to be folding the middle corners into the middle. After you have the 2 sides folded, go ahead and take the thinner end and bring it all the way up to the thicker end. Now go ahead and fold it in half. We're going to take the blue paper and go ahead and cut off the edges a little bit. And then fit the green paper snugly into the blue paper, and there you go, you have a tulip.